Ever wonder how industries withstand extreme temperatures in furnaces, kilns, and reactors? It all starts with high-quality refractory materials made from bauxite. But raw bauxite needs processing to become effective, and that's where our innovative roller mill comes in. Our state-of-the-art bauxite roller mill crushes, grinds, and refines bauxite ore into the perfect consistency. This ensures uniform particle size, which is crucial for creating durable and heat-resistant refractory products. With precision engineering, our mill maximizes efficiency while minimizing energy consumption. That means lower operational costs and a smaller environmental footprint for your manufacturing process. Whether you're producing bricks, castables, or other refractory shapes, consistency is key. Our roller mill delivers that consistency batch after batch, enhancing product performance and reliability. Industries like steel, cement, and glass rely on these materials to operate safely at high temperatures. Imagine reducing downtime and maintenance costs by using superior refractory materials. Our technology supports that goal by producing high-purity bauxite powders with minimal impurities. This leads to longer-lasting linings that withstand thermal shock and corrosive environments. Plus, our mill is designed for easy operation and maintenance, keeping your production line running smoothly. Upgrade your refractory manufacturing today with our bauxite roller mill. Experience enhanced productivity, cost savings, and top-tier material quality. Don't let inefficient processing hold back your potential. Embrace innovation and drive your industry forward.